Good morning, Hong Kong. Welcome back to another episode of Hong Kong Insurance 101, where this week we're going to be sticking with health insurance and talking about deductibles. Now, deductibles can be complicated, but really simply put, under any Hong Kong or international health insurance policy, a deductible is the amount that you will contribute towards the cost of your healthcare beyond what you have already paid in premiums. Now, deductibles and excesses normally apply to a policy on either a per condition or per year basis. Under a per condition deductible, you would be responsible for contributing financially towards the cost of care you receive for each individual condition you have treatment for. A per year deductible would mean that you are responsible for covering the total deductible amount each year before being able to receive coverage under the plan. For example, let's say you have a $100 deductible on your policy. For a plan that has the deductible applied per condition, the individual would have to contribute $100 towards the cost of care each time they receive treatment for a separate medical condition. If they see a doctor for a sprained ankle, then they will pay $100 towards the cost of care for that treatment, with the insurance recovering the remaining balance. If that individual saw the doctor for a sore throat, having received treatment for their ankle, again, because the deductible is applied per condition, they would be responsible for paying at least $100 of the treatment cost for the sore throat. For a policy on which the deductible is applied per year, the individual needs to meet the deductible before the insurer will provide the excess cover. For example, if the individual receives treatment for a sprained ankle, they would pay $100 towards the cost of care, satisfying their deductible requirement for that year. Any additional medical care they receive would be covered under the policy as the policyholder has already paid their annual deductible. It's important to note at this point that a per year or annual deductible will normally be significantly higher than a per condition deductible. With your deductibles, you could actually be looking at receiving significant costs when you've received medical treatment. When you've already paid a hefty premium for a health insurance plan, paying for a deductible can actually feel a little bit like a kick in the teeth or adding salt to the wound. But there is a good reason, a very good reason that deductibles exist. Would you like to know that reason? Well, here it is. Deductibles lower your health insurance premium. By choosing to contribute towards the cost of your own healthcare, you can often significantly lower the overall cost of your health insurance plan and bring down the premium. The bigger the deductible, the greater the discounts you'll realize. The deductibles can be scary, especially when you're considering a Hong Kong health insurance policy, which offers you the choice of deductibles, excesses, co-insurance, co-pays. But they're a tool in which health insurance providers utilize in order to provide insurance at a lower cost to policyholders. Remember, insurance is defined as the equitable exchange of risk in return for an equitable fee. Both the policyholder and the insurer can affect the equity of the plan and consequently the fee being paid by adjusting the overall risk, that is to say, the insurer's exposure to your healthcare costs. Outside of key factors like age and medical history, which can't be adjusted, the most obvious way to influence your equity on the insurance plan is by affecting the exposure of the insurer and adding a premium to your policy. That's us for this week. We hope you have a happy and healthy weekend. Remember to like and subscribe to stay current with all our content as it comes out. And don't forget to ask CCW. We're simplifying your insurance.